Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy a dining chair cover. So let's get started. So here on TEMU for extremely cheap. So TEMU is a online shopping marketplace that delivers the product to consumer directly from China and provides a 90 days return policy. So here we'll just go to temu.com, and at the search option I will directly search for dining chair covers. Okay, so here we can see, so here we have many covers. So I am selecting this 4x6 pieces. Okay, you can see some of them here. Okay, so here we can see it will cost you $8.28. Okay, you can see after the before results also. So how to apply, you have to just like it is made of elastic, you can just like pack it like this. Okay, so if you scroll you have here reviews, so it's come with a good review also, and here we have our detail also. So it's a elastic material and it is 92% polyester and 8% semtex. Okay, and it is suitable for these chair, you can see. Okay, so to buy you have to click here add to cart, and then you have to click on buy button, then follow the instructions to make the payment. So this is how to buy a dining chair cover from TEMU. I strongly suggest downloading and installing the TEMU app to save money.